now I can finally say everything has been sanded, filled in, and prepared. Yeah, including that Jersey Mike's box. And prepared for painting. Every nail hole has been filled in. The edges, all the edges have been sanded down. So at least I can bump my head safely. Yeah, the kids are fine. I'm the one that's gonna be bumping my head here. Everything that I would have deemed as rough, I've been able to fill in. I prepared the walls with some masking tape, just so I'd be able to paint and bump the wall without having to rip off the wallpaper and redo it again. Did all the corners, all the tops, for all the levels, and actually covered this countertop because it's a butcher's block. I want no paint on that at all. I have something special for that when I'm done with all this glorious painting. So wish me luck, and I'll be starting this tomorrow. I'm not sure I'm gonna finish tomorrow, but at least I'll be, I don't know, halfway done if everything goes well, because it is a weekend and I do have some little people that require attention as well. All right, this should be fun. Signing out. Peace. Yeah, this will end up looking pretty nice when I'm done. All right, folks. Catch you later.